Imagine an AI that talks to a customer as soon as they fill the form and they literally makes a call, speaks like a real person and also books appointment for them. So like in this video, I'm gonna show you how to build an AI voice agent under 10 minutes and like we're using single piece of code. Yes, no code involved. So like before going to the build, let me show you the demo like how this really works. So like here's the demo. Okay, so like this is the demo site which I just built for the demo purpose, and like you can see there is a section for the form. Like after filling this form, we'll get a direct call from our AI voice agent. Okay, so now just fill the form. Okay, my email is and my phone number. Okay, so now we'll get a call. Hello.
Hi, Vikrant. This is Sarah calling from Lux Salon. You'd submitted a form for a beauty or styling appointment, just reaching out to help schedule that. Is now a good time?
Yes, like how are you?
Thank you for asking, Vikrant. I'm doing well. I'm here to help you with your salon appointment. Is now a convenient time to chat for a couple of minutes?
Yes, like I want to get a haircut.
All right. Thank you for letting me know. Just to confirm, we have your name as Vikrant and you're interested in a salon service,
Yes.
specifically a haircut, right? Can I ask which area you're located in or where you'd be visiting from? Find the nearest Lux Salon branch for you.
Okay, so like I'm from Pune.
Got it. You're from Pune. Thank you for sharing that. And you mentioned you'd like a haircut. When would you like to visit the salon? Please let me know a specific day and time that
Okay,
works
so
for you.
like
Monday.
how about tomorrow 4 p.m.?
Thank you, Vikrant. I've scheduled your haircut appointment for tomorrow at 4 p.m. at our Pune branch. You'll receive a confirmation message shortly. Looking forward to seeing you at Lux Salon. Have a wonderful day.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so like this was the call, and now I'm going to show you the backend part where it's actually doing the thing, and you can see this is n8n. Like I'm going to show you a whole demo, so don't worry about this. And like this is the calendar node. By using this, it's gonna save the appointment, and also it's storing all the lead data inside a Google Sheet. So I'm going to show you the sheet. Yes, so like here you can see, just store my name, my email ID, location Pune, service type haircut, and as I just said, like tomorrow at 4 p.m. So as you can see. Perfect. So like if you don't know me, I'm Vikrant and I build AI automations that save time and make money. And if you want to learn tools like n8n, AI agents, chatbot building, voice agents, then you're the right place. And I hope you subscribe this channel because I'm gonna post more stuff regarding AI. And also if I talk about today's video, I'm gonna share the free resource of this, so like you can also have it in your PC and use it instead of making it or building from the scratch. So yes, I'm sharing the free resource of this video. So yeah, let's go to the build. Alright, so like this video is gonna be in two parts. First, how to set up the voice agent in Retell AI, and second, building the n8n workflow for managing the lead data. So like n8n is like the behind the scenes. Alright, so like before going to the build, let me explain you about what is inbound and outbound. So like in this video, we're gonna build outbound AI voice agent. So like if I talk about inbound, that means the customers are calling you, or like customers calling to a certain business for asking some queries or the services that you do and all that stuff. And in inbound, it's totally opposite. In this, you're calling to the customers for getting their details and their information and like helping them in booking their appointments and all that stuff. So yeah, that's the major difference between outbound and inbound. So I hope you got the thing. And so like without wasting any time, let's move to the build. All right, so like this is the Riddle AI platform which we're gonna use for building the voice AI agents. And yeah, this is super crazy and also user friendly. So after joining or logging in, you will get your interface like this. All right, so like it's taking time. Okay, so you can see this is the interface you will get after logging in. And here I already have created the voice agent setup, and I will show you like how to set it from the scratch. But from here, I'm gonna take this prompt. All right. So you just have to come here, create an agent, click on the voice agent, and we are creating a single prompt agent. And yeah, start from the blank, create it. All right, so this is the freshly new voice AI agent. And here, this is the prompt section where we have to put the prompt for our voice agent. And yeah, like you will get this full resource like from prompts to annotated workflows, you will get in free. So don't worry. So here I just pasted it. As here you can see, I just said the agent, you are Sarah, the friendly professional voice assistant from Lux Saloon, calling clients who submitted a request through our online form. So as you know, like we'll got a call directly by our AI voice agent when somebody fills a form. So yeah, and here we just set the objective, the behavior rules, the call script, like how you have to behave with the person, what kind of questions you have to ask. So these are all the kind of rules which we have tell to the agent. Okay, and here he will ask the location, the type of service, like for example like haircut, styling, skincare, and all that stuff. And also yeah, the preferred time, the time which the customer have to book an appointment, it will ask. And yeah, that of questions. After that, here you can see the most important thing, trigger the function appointment booking. So here we're gonna create a function which names like appointment booking. And after the collecting the details of the user for like location, service type, preferred time, name, and all of that stuff, it will trigger the function upon booking so that it will send the data to the n8n. So yeah, I will tell you more detail about the n8n part, but now just focus on the retail AI. Now you can see this is the whole prompt. Okay, we're gonna save it. And yeah, here's the functions. So as I mentioned here, the function is upon booking. So we have to create a one, a custom function. We're gonna name it appointment booking. All right. So the description is like it allows user to book an appointment. All right. So for now, just you just don't need to think about this. Now we have to put the parameters like what kind of details we have to share to the n8n so like it can book an appointment. So like it's just a very basic thing, like for example if you are booking for an appointment, so like what kind of details you will give. You will give name. All right, so it's the name of the user. Okay, add. And it will also give your email id for booking the appointment, email of the user. Okay, and you will also give the preferred time which you wanna. Okay, yes. Also you will provide the service type, like what kind of service you're looking. You're gonna write type of service. And yeah, the most important thing, what's that, I guess, yeah, the location. Location of the user. So yeah, this kind of details we're gonna push to the n8n. I forgot to write this one. Fetch the date and time the user has provided. Yes. Okay, all right. So now we have to put this URL. So like I'm gonna show the n8n workflow. As you can see, this is the canvas of the n8n. Before moving to it, all right, so like this is the interface of the n8n, and n8n is a low code automation tool which allow you to build AI agents and connect different apps and services and APIs and all of that stuff. And overall it allows you to automate tasks which we used to do it manually. So yeah, it's a great tool. This is the interface of it. You just have to go to the sign in, and after going to the sign in, you will get a interface like this. So I already have an account, so I don't need to create a one. So after that, you just have to click this create workflow, and yeah, from here you have to build this. But as I told you, I'm going to share the free resource of this video of this workflow, so you don't need to build it from the scratch. You just have to download the JSON file and you will get this. Okay, so now as you can see here, there are two different workflows. So this one is for the form submitting part, as when someone submits a form, the details or the information will come with the help of this webhook. So for the sake of this video, the webhook is like a door from where you can send or get the data. So as I told you, like when someone's filled the form, all of the details, for example the name, the phone number, and the email will come to this node with the help of this webhook. Okay, so for now, as I already have a website for a demo website which I created for the testing purpose. But you don't need to have this. You can also add a inbuilt form in the editor itself. You can see you just have to get this one on a new form submission. Okay, so now you can remove this and add this one. Okay, so form title is like we can places. All right, now we're gonna add the elements. So we want name. Okay, we want email, and we want the phone number. All right, so yeah, I just connected it with here. Yeah, this is the form. You just have to put the details over here. And when someone fills this form, they will get a call directly. All right, so like we have added this form. Now if I talk about this, the HTTP request node, so like this node is allow you to connect with different apps or like services over the web. So we connected Retell AI with the help of this HTTP request. We just pasted the URL of the Retell AI, and yeah. But yeah, as I told you, like you will get the free resource of this video, so you don't need to add a one. You just have to place your API key here. So like when you will download this workflow, you just need to change this. So, and you will get this by going to Total AI, go to the settings, API keys, and just add API key. Just name it like test, create, and yeah, you will get the API key, and you just have to copy that. As you can see, this one is here. You just have to copy it from here. Go to the n8n, and you just have to paste here. Okay, you just have to do this. And yeah, one more thing. You also have to change this agent ID, and you will get this same. Go to the Total AI, go to your agent which you have created now. Agents, all right, this one. And like from here, you need to copy the agent ID. You can see the agent ID. Just need to copy from here. It's copied. Go back to n8n. Just paste it here. Okay, because every person has different Retail AI, different agent and different agent ID. So you need to put it here. And apart from here, and you also need to change the number, and you can get this number directly from Twilio. Twilio provides you free numbers. You just have to go to Twilio, create an account, and they will provide you $15 for free. You just have to go to here, buy a number, and yeah, from here just purchase the number in free. Okay, buy. I already have a one, so I don't need to buy. From that you can get the number, and you have to connect that number in the Retail AI. You have to go to the phone numbers, add a number, and you have to connect via SIP trunking. Okay, so you will able to connect the number. Now if I go back to the n8n, all right, you just have to change this, your number, the agent ID, and the API key. That's it. That's all you have to change. Okay, so that's the part of this workflow. Now if I talk about the second one, this one is responsible for creating the appointment for the user, which we have this webhook. And yeah, As I mentioned, Retell AI, you have to paste this URL, the production one, because the workflow is active. So you have to paste this URL. All right, agents. Okay. The functions upon booking, and yeah, you just have to paste here. Okay, I already pasted here. That's it. You have to save or update it. So this webhook is responsible for getting the details from the Retell AI for like name, email ID, preferred time, location, the service type. Okay. So this is the AI agent, the most important part or the functioning part of this workflow, which is able to perform all the necessary things. And here you can see there are two blocks, the user message and the system message. So basically in user message, we place the information, the details which we have to provide to the AI agent. So like looking on this data, it will respond. And the system message like the same. It's a kind of prompt, the global prompt which we provide to the agent, like who you are, what you have to do, and all that stuff. So here we just mention like you are a calendar assistant and your job includes creating, getting, deleting events in the user's calendar. And here we have added a calendar node, which is a create event for booking the appointments. Okay. And yeah, the most important thing, the chat model. It's the brain of the AI agent. And you just have to connect the API key, and you will get this by going to the Open AI. You have to log in, create an account, and just go to the settings, go to the API keys, create a new secret key, and after that you will get a API key and just have to copy that. I already have one, so I'm not creating it. And go to here, just paste it here. So we'll get the API key. All right. After that, we are gonna save the lead details in the Google Sheet. So you can see we have added the Google Sheet node. You can add this nodes from by here, like want to add Google Sheet, just type it to Google Sheet and you can add it from here. And we want to perform the action like append or update the row in the sheet. Okay. So by this, we can add it. And you can see here saying me to choose a document. So I'm choosing, so these are all the list of the documents you have in the Google Sheets. So I want the Lux Saloon. You can see here, this is the Google Sheet which I've created for this whole demo. And yeah, like you can choose it from here, sheet 1. And after that, you just have to map the outputs. So we don't need to do this because you will get this whole workflow, whole system in free. So don't need to worry about this. You just have to connect your credentials and or your account. So yeah, that's all about it. And yeah, this is the whole workflow. If I go back to Tell AI, this is the prompt area where we just set the agent what you have to do, all the instructions, rules, and regulations, and all that stuff. And yeah, the one thing I have to change this, AI speaks first. Like the AI will speak first instead of you. Okay. So you can also change it from here. And yeah, you just need to publish it. Select the numbers which you have, which you connected via Twilio, and just publish it. All right, like this is it. We built the AI voice agent, the outbound one, which is able to call the customers and get their details and like books appointment for them. So thank you for watching this video and do subscribe this channel because I'm gonna post more stuff regarding AI agents, automations, and like many more. And talking about the resource part, you will get the full resource, the template, in the description. There's a link, and you will get the JSON files, prompts, and like everything. So see you in the next video.